This is a OEM air filter, also known as a paper or cotton filter, and you're not supposed to clean these. These are non-cleanable, non-serviceable. You're supposed to replace them after a certain amount of mileage, but we're gonna show you a trick that I've been doing for a long time. And this is a Canon air filter, a serviceable one, and what you do is you rinse it a certain way, you clean it, and then you re-oil it, and this is something you can do. And then when you're looking at your OEM one, if you look at it, it's cotton. And the crazy thing is that at one point in time, we actually tried to wash one of these air filters. We put it in our washing machine. It was kind of a test. And what happens is that the cotton in there and the element, it kind of expands and it gets all fuzzy, and it isn't designed to be clean like that, but this is what you can do. So what you do is you get a piece of cardboard or paper, and what you're gonna do is the airflow side, meaning the side that sees the environment. If you can see here, this is the airflow side. If you see, it's dirtier, it's got stuff in it. And then this is the cleaner side, the engine side. What you want to do is the airflow side, you're going to go ahead and look at this. This is pretty clean. We're going to go ahead and tap on it. That's just a few times, but look at that, guys. And then go to another clean side. All right, so we did it about 2 or 3 times, and we're gonna show you. There's a lot more in here. So we got this out, and there was a lot more in here, but we had to clean it with the towel because it was fine particles. But look how much stuff we got out of our air filter. And I do this every other week or every month, and before I, replace them. And I think this is just a nice added maintenance thing that makes the air filters go a little further and you're cleaning them.